Welcome back. Now it's time to look at some useful methods that you can use in Python, and for that I will create a variable called name, and it's gonna be equal to Alex, and I'm gonna type print name. And now if I run this, you see Alex in the console. Now the first method that we're gonna look at is the length method, which is gonna give us the length of this string. So we type len and we put parentheses around the variable. Now if I run this, it's gonna give us the length 4 because we have 4 characters here. Now let's comment this. Let's look at the next one. So I'm gonna type print, and I'll type name dot find, and this is gonna find the specific character in the string. So I'm gonna search for, let's say, E. Now if I run this, you get 2, and this is the index at which this character is present. So we have and the index always starts at 0. So we have 0, A, L we have 1, and 2 we have E. So we have 2 in the 2 displayed in the console. Now let's comment this. Let's look at the next one. So let's type print, and I'm gonna type name dot capitalize, and this is gonna capitalize the first letter. So let's change this on lowercase letter. So now if I run this, we have A capitalized. So this is this one. So let's comment. Let's type again print, and I will type name dot upper, and this is gonna uppercase all the letters of our string. So now if I run this, we have Alex. Let's comment this. Let's look at the next one. We have a lower one, so I'm gonna type name dot lower, and it's gonna lowercase all the letters. So if I put here, as you can see, if I run this now, we have Alex, and even though we have here a capital letter, that is lowercase by this method lower. So let's comment this. Let's look at the next one. So I'm gonna type print, I'm gonna type name dot isDigit, and this is gonna check to see if our variable has digit numbers. So if I run this, get false, but if I change this to those numbers, and if I run this, we get true. So let's change it to Alex. Let's comment this, and let's look at the next one. So I'm gonna type here print name dot is alpha numeric. So let's choose this one. I think it's name dot is alpha, this one. And let's put Alex Dobinka to show you something interesting which this method does. Get false. This is because this method checks to see if we have alphabetical letters, and we don't have only alphabetical letters here, we also have a space, and because of that we get false in the console. But if I put that together without the space, and now if I run this, you get true, because this is an alphabetical numerical string, because you don't have spaces. But if I put the space back, you get false. So let's comment this. This is what this does. Now let's type print, and let's type name dot count, and this is gonna count the occurrences of a specific character. Let's say that I'm gonna put here A, and now if I run this, we get 1. This is because it only found it's case sensitive, so it only searches for the lowercase a, even though we have an uppercase a also here. So this is what it is doing, is searching for the occurrences of a specific character. In this case, it's searching for a, and it found one a here, and it's returning 1. But if this will be a lowercase letter, let me uncomment it. If I run this, we have 2 because we have 1 here and 1 here. Alright, so this is what this does, this method. Let's comment this. Let's type again print, and we have name dot replace, and we have, let's say that we replace the let's say O. Let's replace it. So first we define the value which is going to be replaced, and then we're going to define the value which is going to replace the value from the value that we specify here. So I'm gonna type here, let's say an L or a K. Okay, let's say. Now if I run this, have Alex and the O is replaced with K, as you can see, and instead of O here we have K. So this is what this is doing. Let's comment this. And one very nice feature in Python is that you can type here name, and if I want to display this multiple times, I can type here times, let's say 10, and it will have, you will have the name being displayed 10 times. So now if I run this, we have Alex Dobinka 10 times, as you can see here. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.